One of the world's most promising regions for growth in asset management, Indonesia has long stood out because of its huge potential. With almost 250 million people, Indonesia is the world's fourth largest country and the third largest democracy. Its economy is expanding at a high rate, fueling rapid wealth creation and the emergence of a wealthy middle class. Indonesia is a very important region because of the growth potential. The opportunity to develop a long-term sustainable business is definitely there. The market is beginning to liberalise. The authorities are being much more responsive to help business establish and grow. So now is a very exciting time for Indonesia.
So Indonesia is really exciting because it's such a large country, a young population, and yet the penetration of asset management products is really small. Only 0.1% of the population holds mutual funds, which is a tiny proportion. And as the country grows and has financial deepening, and also as the regulations change to enable greater investment, we think there's huge potential for the growth of the mutual fund industry.
You've got 250 million people in Indonesia, 74 million of which are middle class, and 180,000 of them invest in mutual funds. So clearly there's a massive, massive opportunity there. The question is though, how do you exploit that opportunity?
So right now, only about 180,000 people hold mutual funds, which is a very small part of the population. But the government has started a process of deregulation to enable greater investment and also enforce savings through, for example, government pension schemes and other mandatory processes that require people to save and therefore invest in mutual funds. There's also some work being done on taxation and also on the rules around investing overseas, which currently is prohibited. So all these different factors are coming together to enable there to be a greater growth in the mutual fund industry.
It's definitely a now play. There is a huge amount to be done to develop a business. The market is not the most liberal today, but to be active in the market, to begin to be engaging with regulators and others, to think very deeply about a successful business model and establish that today is what's necessary. It takes time. Investment performance, business growth doesn't come overnight. There are some challenges and some hurdles to overcome in developing success in Indonesia. The demographics say it's good, you should start now.